How to fix camera not focusing issue in Honor 200. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option again and then tap on camera. Now here scroll down and tap on storage, and from here clear the cache memory and data of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the camera app data, tap on clear data. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm. So after that, go back and here you will see a force stop option on the top. So tap on this option to force stop camera app. Now from the pop-up, again tap on force stop to confirm, and after that your camera not focusing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open camera app, click on the settings icon on the top right corner, and here scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults option. Now from the pop-up, again tap on OK to confirm, and after that the camera focusing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera not focusing issue on your Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.